Alright, we're going to be working on this 05 Tacoma. We're doing some tail lights. We got these tail lights here from Tacoma Beast, and we're going to swap them out. Alright, so first thing you're going to have to do is drop this tailgate and take out these two tins. You got one here, and the farthest one down here on the bottom. 10 mil. Those look fresh.
Those tail lights.
Oh yeah. So you're gonna have to unplug your harness off this, and for these we're gonna be putting the reverse light in. So with these, all we're going to do is just swap this over. Try not to touch your reverse bulb because it could cause it to burn out. And all we're going to do here is just put this guy onto this. And then for these, if you want to save them for something, you can. But you're going to take the bulbs out, and in place you plug in your new LED setup. And like I said, I'm just trying not to touch the bulbs, just in case we want to use them for something else. And then after you get that done, you're going to put these caps in just as if they were bulbs. And then we'll plug this harness back in and be done. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks sharp.
Definitely. Super clean. Alright, we got both those installed. They're pretty straightforward. Just those two tins. Pull straight out. Pretty much just falls out once you do the two tins. And then swap that wiring around. But as you can see, they definitely look fresh. He needs to put a LED bulb in there, but everything else is LED. Nice. Alright. But yeah, those are legit. And yeah, like I said, these are Tacoma Beast Tail Lights. We're not sponsored by them or anything. We bought them ourselves. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.